Hello folks, Trade Ideas Stock Market Scanning Technologies coming at you. We are looking at our proprietary stock race scanning feature and our picture-in-picture charts. I just want to do a quick video here showing these off and how a narrow set of data that's relevant to your trading becomes so powerful. Start with stock races here. On this stock race, we've got the left side. This is live data, stocks that are moving right now. So for example, something like APLT, we could see it's on the move right here, relatively strong from the open. And on a daily chart with the weekly chart picture-in-picture here, gives us an idea of where the stock has been and some different support and resistance levels that we could take a look at here with that. Right side of the stock race here makes a great watch list. So this whole race is very customizable, very scannable, and I could share this one that I personally created. That's a relative strength from the open. I've set it with 3-minute races, so essentially at the end of every 3 minutes, the race will reset itself completely, and the stocks that are relevant to the scan behind it will show up. On this right side, that winners list here shows how many times a stock has won that race. It makes a great watch list. So for example, something like BFRG had been winning races and it had a great move earlier in the day. It's come back, it's pulled back, but it's still there on the list for us to look at. It's relevant data still, and we set a price alert, which I've done already here, and if it gets back to a certain level that may or may not interest me, I've got it there on the forefront of data that I'm looking at for the day here. I just want to come back and look at a few other items here that we've seen on this ROIV. We can see it has won some races on the day here, and as well it is on the move again. It's live, it's moving. This is what's happening now, and again our picture-in-picture charts help us kind of visualize where this is. I can see all the way back to October of 2021, the last time it was at this levels before this current month that we're in. So really kind of helps us narrow down the data, visualize it better, make better decisions as we're trying to find those moves in the market that are bolstering our trading accounts. If you liked what you saw here, come visit us, trade-ideas.com. You can see a delayed data version on our website of these kinds of scans. Helps you visualize a little bit better who and what we are. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next video, folks.